Over the years, HP has taken a real bashing for the design of some of the machines that they made, especially in their entry-level category. These machines would tend to fall apart, break up, the hinges would separate, back covers would be destroyed, and persons couldn't understand why this was happening. So HP has made a dramatic comeback with the design of some of their newer models, specifically the FC series, the EP series, and the EM series. From our experience, these models have been found to be in much better build quality than their predecessors. Notwithstanding that, if you do not carry your laptop and you handle it very roughly, there is a very strong possibility that it will fall apart and break up if you don't care for it. But under normal conditions, these new series of laptops are very durable. We have not yet seen a single one come in for any back cover damages or any form of repairs of that nature. We have them available in stock now at High Five Jamaica Services, www.high5jamaica.com. You can visit our laptops portal that shows you all the laptops that we have accessible. Guys, we don't post prices here because whenever we post prices, these prices can change and then the video becomes useless. So just check in the comment section and you will see what the current price is, or just send us a DM or a WhatsApp message. These HPs feature solid state technology, at least 8 gigs of RAM, and some even have 512 GB storage. You will be getting a brilliant deal if you purchase one of these laptops. If you follow us on our social media platforms, of course, additionally, we will offer you some form of discounts because you're one of our fans. See us first at highfivejamaica.com.